All right. Here is the not so fancy shot. Trying to get another angle. Probably flip the GoPro around back and forth just to make sure everything catches. But let's see. Actually, I am going to see if I am actually recording the voice now and see how it's actually picking up. So we're gonna come around here, and it looks like it's doing a decent job of it. I guess I shouldn't talk too loud because it seems like it's spiking pretty hard. Yeah, maybe I'll just not talk so loud because it seems to be spiking pretty hard. I was expecting it to not spike that hard, but I guess we'll find out. I guess in post. Oh shoot, trash. This is what happens when you do too many things at once. See that mess right there? Chin strap life, fam. Gotta get it. So there's that. Oh God. Oh man. All right. Hey, it is what happens when you do a lot of things at once. But I'm glad my head is attached because, you know, I'll probably forget it. So here we go, one more time. Y'all have no idea, dude. I probably spent like 20 minutes at this gas station just setting everything up. Seriously, man. It's like, is it all worth it? Is it really worth it? Yes, it is. For you. For you, it's worth it. Let's go have some fun. Obviously, it won't be any hard riding today because I am on a scouting route today. So it's all scouts today. Man, I think I'm casting a bad shadow too, man. The way the sun is. Hopefully we can get moved around and the sun won't be so much in my back. I don't know. I need it to my face. Yeah, I probably need it at my face for it to actually be any good, probably. So, well, we'll see. We'll see how things go. I said I'm just testing it, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, like I said, everything goes well, camera angle is good, stuff of that nature, you know. The pains of one GoPro life, though. Putting it on, taking it off, putting it on, taking it off, put it on. It's like wax on, whack off, wax, whack, whack, what? I don't think the Karate Kid had it this bad, and he just but I am thankful that it is a good day, so I'm thankful for that. At least there's no rain up here. And so it'll be at least a decent day. Man, I am itching super bad right now, guys. My shoulders are itching really bad. When I went to the Panhandle, and you know what I'm saying, got a little crispy, and now it's starting to peel. It has peeled, but it's still kind of itchy, so that's kind of trash. But hopefully this connection should stay pretty solid. But the camera is facing towards me, so the port, the 3mm jack port, 3.5 jack is facing that way, and so it's going to be getting the blunt of the wind. The brunt or the blunt? The brunt of the wind. Man, whatever. It's getting a lot of the wind. It's getting all the wind. I don't care about talking right now. Who needs to talk on a YouTube channel anyways? Talking on a YouTube channel is overrated. I'll probably pull over here in a little bit at like a gas station up here, or a school that's up here, and just double check now that I'm sort of at speed. I want to check to see the wind noise and see if it's too much or not on the GoPro. So, but I kind of don't like that this wire is just kind of dangling out like this. See that? It's just kind of dangling out here. I'll probably have to figure a better solution for that. I don't really like that too much, but for this particular purpose, I'm going to have to let it dangle for right now. All right, so I checked everything. Everything looks good. Everything sounds, I think, pretty normal to what I'm used to, but the sound is just coming from the GoPro, so I can't really tell how heavy the wind noise is, if it's normal to what I'm used to, but it sounds kind of what I'm used to. There's some level of wind noise that does come through even when I have it mounted to the helmet, so I think it should be okay. So am I allowed to do this shot? I know girls do it all the time. Am I allowed to have my shirt down and open like this, my jacket open, and my y'all are so funny folks, man. If y'all wondering why Yanto has his jacket and his shirt open, because it's hot, and because girls do it too. Why can't I? Why can't the boys do it? You get what I'm saying? Oh God, so This right here is as close to squidding as I'm going to get, fam. I will not squid any more than this. I got my jacket open, my shirt is open. It feels so good. No wonder people like squid. But I'm too chunky to not have a jacket on to cover up. You get what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I gotta cover up a little chunky because I don't know. I don't want to scare the children, they mamas and they grandmas. So you know what I'm saying? So I gotta cover up. Gotta be decent. That's why I can't be squid because my shirt comes up. We don't have none of that, fam. No more indecent exposure for you guys. That's too much skin. That's entirely too much skin for my channel.
Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging on till the hits coming.